Hello and welcome to Tech Finance. Today I'm going to show you how you can download these TikTok videos for a compilation video, or if you need any clip for you personally, the information from the clip, whatever. So what you need to do is you just go randomly on any video you want to download. So let's say I'm going to go on this video. Once we open the video, we can pause it, even though we're going to do right click, not download the video, because the watermark is going to show up. So we're going to just copy the link, and we're going to go to a site called snaptic.app, and here what we're going to do is we're going to paste that link here in the midsection here and press on download. Once we're done, it's going to download, and after this we're going to click and download a video. We're going to do that, and here you can see it downloaded the video successfully, and you can find that video in your download folder. And also I'll show you, so the video don't has any watermarks on it, so I'm going to play it for you guys. So here we go. Here we can see the video has no watermarks on it, right? So I'm gonna let me pause that, let me make a big screen, and you can see the video has no watermarks. So that's basically how you're gonna download videos from TikTok. Simply open the video, right click, copy link, go to the site snaptic.app, paste that link here in the midsection, press download, and then press download video again. And that's how you're going to download TikTok video without having any watermark issues. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support me to create more content like this. If you have any other questions or you